This is a breakdown for Chapter 4 test. So first you will need to know the identities. So number 1 through 4 is identities, and number 5 through 6 will be from page 223, 25 through 30, and so forth. So go through the list, make sure you're familiar with all the problems and practice with it. Now the identity that you need to know are the one that is being boxed in. So first you need to know the 3 Pythagorean identities, and you need to know the sum and the difference. And you need to also know the double angle identity, so you need to, so notice that cosine of 2x had 3 options, so you need to know all 3. Okay. For tangent, all you need to do is know the first one. And the half angle, you need to know these 3. Okay. So again, tangent had 3 forms, and just know this one is good enough. This is the one you use most often. Okay. So make sure you know all the ones that in the box. So you need to memorize them. And best way to memorize it is just go ahead and just get scratch paper and just write it out. It will help you to memorize. And again, we cover this in the lesson. To memorize the sum and the difference, right? Just look for the pattern. Okay? For the sine, you're going to get sine, cosine, cosine, sine. For the cosine, you're going to get cosine, cosine, sine, sine. And the positive will match, and for the cosine would be opposite. Okay. And this one over here, again, you got to memorize, and the difference is just the opposite, right? So you can see that. So look for the pattern. Okay. The only difference is, is plus versus minus. So this one you can get memorized by pattern. Okay. And this one you just have to, if you don't remember, you just apply this. So like sine of 2x came from these, right? Okay, so you just make into x plus x. So you're going to get sine x cosine x, and you get cosine x sine x, and when you add, you end up with that. So these 3 came from these 3. Okay, so if you don't remember, you just have to spend time to write it out. But you should try to memorize it. Okay, another way to memorize this is like write each one on the index card and make a flashcard. Okay, or if you have the flashcard app on your device, you can make a good use of it. Okay. So again, so you need to memorize all these identities, the one that is boxing.